This here is a Mark 7 Golf Sport Wagon, and today we're gonna put a couple of AliExpress car parts on it. We've got some fake carbon fiber mirrors and some dynamic turn signals that also go on the mirrors there. So basically, these new turn signals, the light will kind of like fade across, I think that way. So they should look pretty cool if they work. Hopefully they do. They are from AliExpress after all, but anyways, let's get to work and put these things on. So to replace both of these things here, underneath the mirror there are some clips that you have to push with like a screwdriver or something to actually take off this cap. We already pushed some of those and they just broke, but we're replacing them anyways, so that's not the end of the world. Yeah. So to replace this actual light here, there is a screw right there and one right in there. Those aren't normal Phillips bits, so we're looking for the right bit to actually take those off. And you also gotta unplug it right there. I'm not entirely sure how to do that yet, but we'll get to that in a second. Alright, so I didn't get this part on video, but we did take this off. We had to use a couple of those little plastic like trim pry bar things. It's just very tight in there. We did also end up breaking it a little bit. Some pieces are on the floor now currently, so this can't go back in, so hopefully this new one really actually works. We got the actual light piece in there now, and we tested it with the hazards already, so it works. It's plugged in. Now we just gotta put both of the screws back in and then hopefully get the mirror cap on. So here is the normal, just the stock side with the hazards on. Normal mirror cap, normal light in there. And then here is the new side that we've just put on. This looks really, really cool. I really like it. This was quite difficult to get put back on, and it's still, there's a tiny little gap in there, but it's clicked into place on all of the clips in there. That's probably just because this is an AliExpress part and it's not gonna, fit exactly perfectly, but I'm kind of impressed for how cheap these things are that they actually work. All right, after much struggle and hardship, we got this passenger side one on. It's not completely, the clips aren't totally clipped on there. I think one of them is, but the other one's not quite. So they don't fit perfectly, but I guess that's kind of what you get when you buy something from AliExpress. All the products in this video will be linked in the description. Of course, buy at your own risk. They might not work, but they might work. I think they look pretty cool when they do work. So let's get a little test of both of these sides with the hazards on and see how that looks. Oh yeah, look at that, man. That's awesome. These are a lot better than the stock ones, and the carbon mirror caps also look pretty darn sweet, at least in my opinion. Really, really cool. Pretty subtle difference, but it looks really cool when you look up close, and I like the view of the lights. Super cool. All right, he got both of them on there now, and I think it looks pretty sweet. He's just gonna adjust the car in the garage here, but there we go. We can see him really good right here. Super subtle upgrade, but it looks really cool, at least in my opinion. I think that that adds a lot to the car, but just not by, putting something huge on it. Anyways, if you want to see more videos about cars from this channel, you can click right up here or here for some of those, and I will see you over there.